stocks bounced back today after Friday's sell-off. We take a look at our portfolio. It's up almost 2% on the day. And this is mostly due to one stock, and that is Tesla. Tesla had a monster day today, up nearly 7%, I believe. 6% right now after hours, but peak day it was close to 8% up. So big day with no news. But tomorrow there is Tesla's Q2 delivery numbers, which I'm expecting a disappointment because at the end of the day, sales are still declining year over year. I don't know if people are pricing in like a beat or what, or just high expectations. I'm not sure, but I would not be surprised to see a pretty big pullback tomorrow after the numbers come out. I believe it's in pre-market when the numbers come out, but not a long video today. I just wanted to talk about where do you invest your money as a young person, especially when the market is at all-time highs. I would have to say VOO or an SP 500 fund. You can't go wrong with SP 500 fund. It's very, very low risk because if America grows as a country, then the SP 500 is going to grow. And it's the top 500 companies and it's weighted by market cap. So you get exposure to the Magnificent Seven, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. But as you see, you got Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and it goes by market cap. So you see, Microsoft has the highest percentage and, so on and so forth. But if I say that, why do I have so much exposure to the Magnificent Seven as a individually stock? So this is because most of the SP 500 gains in the past, I want to say 2 years, have been attributed to the Magnificent Seven. And this is why when you compare the SP 500 to QQQ, which is the NASDAQ 100, you see the NASDAQ outperforms the SP 500 like by a mile. So this is because the NASDAQ 100 has a higher concentration of those stocks. So that's why I'm so heavily invested in these. And which one am I buying right now while all of them are at all-time highs, or most of them are all-time highs? And that is Meta. I'm about to add or start adding to Meta platforms because compared to the other Magnificent Seven stocks, it's really the most undervalued when you compare it to the rest. I mean, their forward PE is sitting around 25, I believe. Really, really slept on. So I want to bump this 3 shares up to 4. Our average cost is sitting around $453. So he's sitting at $500 a share right now. I think this has a lot of potential to go higher. I can see it at $1,000 a share in the next 2 years. So that is what I'm going to start buying soon, along with VOO, because like I said, I want to beef that position up to 50% of our portfolio. So another honorable mention is Snowflake stock. It has bounced back, and it was our biggest loser. It's up over 5% today at $142, and our average cost is $150. So it was all the way down here at $125. Should have bought more down here, but I mean, this is like one of the most bearish charts I've ever seen in my life, where it's literally lower highs, lower lows, like literally a perfect bear setup. And then right here, when it looks like it's about to break support at like 125, it just gets bought up. So, I mean, I'm not complaining, but I was going to buy more if it dropped to the 115 level, which I expected it to do with this chart. But you never know. I think it had like an upgrade by an analyst or something. I'm not sure, but it's been getting destroyed this year so far, down 27%. But I don't expect any huge moves from Snowflake. In the meantime, it's definitely a longer term play, probably a few years. Come say hi. Come say hi, baby.
Hello.
Wait, there you go. Now I can hear you.
Hi, guys.
Say something about yourself. Talk about your trip for a minute.
Guys, I was just in Albania for like 2 weeks, and it was the best.
I just bit an eggshell, I think.
Huh?
I just bit into
Anyway, it was the best trip ever. I recommend going, and you will have so much fun. Anyway, now we'll pass this over to Elijah because I'm tired.
She just made me some delicious food that I'm munching on right now. Wife material. Yeah, Snowflake. It's bounced back quite a bit. Portfolio is still all-time highs. Things are going great. But that's our quick portfolio update. Nothing's really on my sell list right now. Really want more Palantir, but I'm just not at these prices. I'm just not paying that for Palantir. So more like a $20 or less is my price range. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.